and welcome to another episode of Thatcher. I am Jat, and today I will be showing you how to restore and refinish your vintage or worn out ornaments. That way they will last for years to come. Something that is worth keeping in mind about ornaments is that they are basically small little mirrors. They are glass, and they are backed with silvering, the same kind of silvering that you will have on the back of your bathroom mirror. If the Christmas ornament has a layer of color over it, usually that is a colored lacquer. It is water-based, and that is why it's usually not a good idea to wash your ornaments, because you will wash off that lacquer coating. And it's also especially a good idea to store your ornaments in a place that is cool and dry. Moisture and heat will damage not only the lacquer coating on the outside, causing fading and cracking, it will also cause the silvering on the inside to turn dull and to wear away. In the event that your ornaments are very worn, the color is gone, the silvering is gone, they can be restored, and I will show you how to do that today. This mid-century lamp ornament has been in my family for 3 generations now. Years of storage in the attic and handling have worn away the gold lacquer and contributed to the decay of the silvering. In order to restore this ornament to its former glory, I needed to clean the exterior surface with soap and water, which also removed the original lacquer coloring and pinstripe details. I then sprayed the outer surface with Krylon Looking Glass Silver Spray. Next, I applied a top coat of Krylon Stained Glass. I used a piece of cardboard to separate the top and bottom areas for spraying, since any adhesive, such as tape, would remove the mirror spray from the surface of the glass. At this point in the process, I was beginning to struggle. I was using acrylic paint to try to replace the original white pinstriping. However, the paint was so thick and I was having a very difficult time achieving the graceful, sweeping curves of the original design. I realized that in order to get the slender strokes I wanted out of the acrylic, I needed to water down the paint. Once I did this, it went on much smoother. Here is a set of ornaments my father purchased from Walmart somewhere around the early 2000s. They aren't particularly unique or valuable, but I grew up with them, and so they have value to me. However, years of attic storage and use has also damaged these ornaments. They have been put away with their hooks still attached. This is a major no-no since these hooks can scratch the lacquer surface on ornaments. The holes they fit in are also a little too tight, so I will replace the inside of the box with something better. I will start by holding the ornament by the cap and pulling out the loop until it clicks into the cap. This method of cap removal will reduce the strain on the mouth of the glass ornament, which oftentimes will have cracks and breaks. Then I will put the ornament on a stick and spray some Krylon foil metallic paint. Here is a custom ornament I designed in computer-aided design software. I had the ornament 3D printed in a rubbery material so it would be less likely to break. Because of the rough texture of the material, I will be flocking instead of painting. I am using Mod Podge as the adhesive and will brush it on. Then cover the wet areas with felt powder and leave it to dry. Once the adhesive has dried, I will blow off the loose particles.